Welcome to the WordBloom Advanced Search Tutorial. My name is Doug. I'm with the Bible study team here at WordBloom, and in this tutorial I'm going to help unlock the advanced search features that will help you quickly and easily find what you want to find in the Bible. WordBloom is designed to have a pretty intelligent search box that helps the beginning studier, or just for the quick search, to find related items, specific items, and the occurrence of pretty much any word in the Bible. Advanced searching can really help you find even more specifically what you want to find. Every advanced search begins with AS colon. That capital A, that capital S, and the colon indicate that what follows is an advanced search. Now, let's start with the basic, kind of the Boolean search. Let's say we want to search for dog, dogs, dogged, dogging, anything that begins with dog. We could type in dog with an asterisk and press enter. WordBloom is going to find everything dog. Notice how its number one hit is dogmatizo, of course, which has to do with doctrine and dogma. But it also gave you over 100 related items: dog, dogs, dog, cross-reference items, dogma, dogs, and so on. It even came up with some interesting cross-references like a dead dog, shall the dogs eat? As well, other Boolean searches, such as dog and woman, will search to see where the word dog and the word woman occur in the same verse. And notice it's going to list those verses in the Bible panes. If I wanted to find verses in which there was the word dog but not the word woman, WordBloom now shows me all verses in which dog occurs without the word woman. We can also do what's called a fuzzy search. Now, a fuzzy search is a very interesting search. We could search for dog, and we put in the tilde. You'll find that to the left of the number 1 on your keyboard with a shift, and we'll hit enter. And that fuzzy search is going to go out and it's going to find all things related loosely to dog. Notice that it found fog and doe and doeg and log. It also found the classic dog, dogs, dead dog, but it added to it things that sound like or are like dog. Now, fuzzy searching can just be simply fun way to find different topics and things you wouldn't expect to find in the Bible. Also, there's the proximity search. Now, the proximity search is a great search. Let's say we want to find all of the different verses where we see Jesus and God in the same verse within 3 words of each other. We can type in advanced search, in quotes, Jesus space God, caret 3. When we hit enter, we'll find the verses in which Jesus and the word God appear within 3 words of each other. For example, you're certain that the verse said Jesus and God within 3 words. Well, you can use this advanced search called the proximity search. The one other kind of search that we can do in advanced searching is that we can search for very specific Old Testament and New Testament words. Now, this is such a common search. You can use any strong number and precede it by either OT for Old Testament or NT for New Testament, and you can find that word. So if we wanted to find Old Testament strong number 1, 2, 3, 4, we could type in OT 1, 2, 3, 4, and we find, of course, the word baka. There we have it. And we can do that as well with any New Testament word using the Strong's numbers. 234, New Testament 234, and we see the word alizguma. As you can see, not only can you search for very, very specific items, you can also, using advanced search, use Boolean searches and find dog and cat, dog not cat. You can do wildcard searches, where a word begins with any items, followed by asterisks, any items, so dog, dogs, dogging, dogged. We know also that we can do the fuzzy search, where we can find dog, log, gog, dogma, all things that sound like or are like dog. We can also search for Old Testament and New Testament words directly using the Old Testament or New Testament Strong's number. And as well, we can do the proximity search where we want to see, say, the terms Jesus and God within a certain number of words of each other. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the other videos on the interface, the basic searching, and the web interface.